Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and we'll have a pretty strong storm that's going to be pushing in once we get into the overnight. So let's pick things up for this evening into the overnight hours. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's going to stay pretty calm, clear. We'll have temperatures going down into the 20s, but once we get into your Saturday afternoon, depending on how fast our temperatures can respond, we'll have to keep an eye on this. There is an opportunity for some rain to push in as early as lunchtime. If the temperatures are near the freezing mark, that'll give us an opportunity to see some freezing rain or a wintry mix. Eventually it will change to all rain. A very strong system will be coming together that's going to warm the temperatures up, and it will also bring the chance of seeing some showers, some of which could be heavy at times, maybe even some embedded thunderstorms later in the evening for Saturday night going into Sunday. And then after that, a quick change in the temperatures. About a 25-degree swing is likely, and it's going to take a pretty strong storm to make that happen, and I definitely mean strong. So because of it, strong winds are anticipated. Right now we're just under a high wind watch, but by the time you're updated again, we'll more than likely be under a high wind warning sometime over the weekend. That's because wind gusts as strong as 50 miles per hour or greater will be likely, and that's going to give a chance to definitely cause some damage. Think about the fact that rain will be falling before this arrives, which means the ground will be soft based on the water's content. So that could bring down some trees. And of course, anytime you have a high wind watch, you can always count on the possibility of some power outages thanks to those falling trees. So with all that said, now will be the time to prepare. Make sure you got everything you need as far as the power outage possibilities, candles, flashlights, things like that, and also coolers in case you lose power. You won't lose your food. Here's a look at the wind gust here from Saturday going into Sunday. Notice how our wind gusts began to go up into the 40s and the 50s. Monroe at 51, 50 mile per hour wind gust. So this is why we're under that concern of that high wind alert, and it's because the winds are expected to really pick up. So for tonight, winds are light. We'll stay partly cloudy. Overnight low of 26. 43 for your forecast for Saturday. Afternoon rain and thunder possible. Winds will be picking up towards Saturday night. It will be windy with falling temperatures on Sunday. So hopefully if you don't lose power, you can enjoy the Oscars inside of the safety of your home. But it will be a rough weekend, mainly to finish it out. And then we start to calm things down. A few chances of snow going into next week, midweek, Tuesday and Wednesday, and also once again for Friday. And thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Hallie for your Saturday morning.